This bamboo grove is my zen space. I love coming in and standing under the bamboo and hearing the bulbuls. They'll come by the time the sun is setting, they'll come here. So I think 2024 has been kinder to me in all ways, especially in my personal growth and healing. I read over 50 books. I managed to watch over 100 movies and shows on OTT. Yes, that's a lot, but I did. And I went back to listening to music again, which I find a very, very therapeutic activity. So, in the books, the two books that I liked were Society Girl and The Company of Violent Men. I'm all for mystery, fantasy, and thrillers, so these two books match the vibes. Society Girl is a murder mystery based in 1970s Karachi, and The Company of Violent Men is on ground reporting in terrorist ridden areas, a very courageous thing to do for journalist Siddhartha Roy. And in the movies, it was all mystery, adventure, action with Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny. Then there was National Treasure 2 and Munjia. All three of them just took me to other heights. I just loved going through those worlds. And in the shows, I binge watched Panchayat now. I'm late in the game, but yes, it was worth it after hearing all the reviews for years. And then I loved Criminal Justice with Pankaj Tripathi as the lead lawyer. I think he's fantastic in it. And then there's Diplomat, which is all about global affairs. And then the songs that I've been listening to again and again are Glitter and Gold by Barnes Courtney. I discovered it as the theme song for the series Safe. And then I discovered Speak Softly Love, the theme song of Godfather by Andy Williams. It's so romantic and uplifting. And another song that inspired me to lose weight and start dancing is Sway by Dean Martin. It is a 1954 song. So 2024 has been nice and kind. It's kind of taken me to another zen space. How has it treated you? Do let me know in the comments box, and do follow queenoftreasures.com for more such stories.